wants to talk, please give your introduction. Rinki, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's not very loud?
It's perfect, ma'am.
It's perfect, okay. If at all there's a thing, just let me know so that I can just adjust my volume.
Sure, ma'am.
Nobody is interested?
I guess so.
Okay. Or maybe let me switch on my video. Maybe they'll look at me and then they'll start. Maybe
Good morning, ma'am.
Huh?
Yeah, someone is talking.
Good morning.
I'm Pooja Adhikari. I'm currently working as a F1soft and I'm a student too.
Wow.
I'm MBA student in Rajdhani Model College.
That's really good. So I'm so nice and very happy that you are the first one to take the initiative. Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hajur. Yeah. you are actually following all the norms. That's very good, huh? With mask and everything. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Could I have your name?
My name is Krishna Bhatta, miss.
Krishna Bhatta.
Yes.
Ani,
From Birganj.
Hajur?
From Birganj.
From Birganj. Good.
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
been to Birganj.
From which schools, ma'am?
I went to Nepal Pharmaceutical Limited, Kusma.
NPL.
Yeah, NPL का office में. Okay. Anyone else?
Hello, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you? How's lockdown treating you all?
Ma'am, your video is still not
And you all are treating the lockdown actually. How are you treating the lockdown?
Just bored, ma'am.
Huh? Bored?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is now. It has become bored. कि ना कि अब कति महीना, almost more than two and a half. Yeah, 2 months more than that. Bored to bhai yes. Yeah. But how do you all pass time? तपाईहरुको online classes भइरहेछ students को?
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Me, Arvind from Kathmandu.
Arvind. Yes, Arvind. Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, your video is still not available.
Okay, I will switch on video. Is it okay? Am I visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So good morning, everyone. I have seen all of you, and you're not seeing me. So good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
I am excited actually to interact with you all. Maybe although the time is not very time now, but very because I have been interacting with the students. I love interacting with students because I have been a faculty in few of the colleges. So I really love to interact with the students, especially the young mind. मैले कति कुरा तपाईहरुसँग सिक्न मिल्छ के when I'm interacting, when I'm actually teaching. So I also learn so many things. So I'm always excited to interact with the young mind. Everyone there? Anyone else would like to give the introduction?
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. All are feeling fresh in the morning, right? Kathmandu weather
Yes,
to
ma'am.
ekdam Ramlusa. What about Birganj ko weather? How is Birganj ko weather?
ठीक
Oh,
छ
wow,
morning,
it is
ma'am.
good. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
All well, all well. How are you all? Nah, it will be good only. This has already passed. We have passed through all the. We all are. We know how to save ourselves and how to keep ourselves safe. So I think even if we start a daily routine once the college starts, or maybe once my office starts, I think we all know how to keep ourselves safe. Fine, definitely. And I hope you all are taking precautions, right? The social distancing,
Yeah, ma'am.
hygiene, and everything, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No need to take precaution while in room, ma'am.
Hajur?
No need to take precaution while in room, ma'am.
Yeah, that's. But you all must be waiting so badly to get out of the room and just go out and enjoy with your friends, right?
Yeah, of course, ma'am.
That's what.
That's
So, your time
obvious.
upani, yeah, everyone will have to. Hajur? Everyone will have to take care of the social distancing at that time. Can we start, Payal?
Yes, ma'am. It's 9:08 and there are already 64 participants. Maybe they will
64.
join slowly so that I think we can start.
Okay, so what I'll do is I'm just going to share the screen with you all.
Yes, ma'am.
And
So I will. Yes, ma'am.
Hajur, yeah, and you can actually unmute. So what I'll do is once I'm talking, everyone is comfortable in English. I can speak Nepali also. बीच में नेपाली पनि बोल्दै गरौँ तपाईहरु जस्तो एकदम राम्रो छैन, but yes, I can speak Nepali.
Sure, ma'am.
Let me ask, Hajur, तपाईहरु नेपालीमा Hajur?
Okay, ma'am. I think I will start with the welcome speech.
Yeah, you can start and then I'll share the screen and then we can. So during the sharing of screen, I think I'll also shut down my video to time so that you all
Yes,
can
ma'am.
concentrate. And बीच में कई chance है, you can actually unmute yourself and ask the questions. Please ask. Do not hesitate. And it's not एकदम simple topic, so you can always ask the questions. Rinki, if at all anyone wants, you can actually unmute and ask the questions.
Sure, ma'am. You can raise your hand so that I can get the hint and unmute you. Okay. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Growth Seller, I would like to welcome all of you. I would like an opportunity to thank our guest speaker, Ms. Neeru Dugar, Dugal Country Head of Emirates Nepal. Thank you, ma'am, for accepting our request for today's
You're
session on the
welcome.
topic personality development. We are so excited to have you here and for looking forward to today's session. ग्रोथ सेलरले चाहिँ यो लकडाउन स्टार्ट भएदेखि चाहिँ हामीले यो अनलाइन सेसनहरू चाहिँ कन्डक्ट गरिरहेको छौँ अहिलेसम्मको सबै
Good morning, Ravan.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good.
I think Payal ko bichma, I think it is her. Can I start, Payal?
हजुरहरूले च्याटमा लेख्न सक्नुहुन्छ else you can raise your hand so that we can unmute it. So I think we can start the session, ma'am. Over to you.
Okay, and I think I should I be on the video or I can actually switch off the video and just go on the screen? What do you say? What do you suggest?
You can share the screen, ma'am.
I can share this. Right. Okay. So I'll just share the screen now. So and then I'll start. Okay, so again, welcome all of you. Good morning. A very, very warm good morning. Actually, it's a very nice weather. So I'm so excited that I'm here with all of you today. We are actually going to talk about personality. any one of you can actually tell me what you mean by personality? You can just unmute and say. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Okay. So anyone wants to say anything about personality?
Personality is something like self-image.
Self-image, yes, very good. That is self-image. And definitely when we're talking about, that's what you can see, it's image is everything. Because when we meet anyone for the first time, Bhedda Kheri, I know that the first impression which becomes is, and that is a very powerful impression. So when you meet someone at the first time, definitely your behavior and everything comes later on. But people, when they look at you, they actually within 10 seconds, they create an image about you, what sort of a person you are. And that is the reason personality actually really is very much important for everyone. You people are in college right now, or maybe you have done your college, you must be working. And every time when we talk about personality, people get impressed, right? So any one of you can say that, are you impressed by any of the personalities where you say, wow, this is the person I really, I'm impressed by that person? Any one of you? Huh? Vidhu, maybe.
Yes, ma'am.
Ajay?
Amir Khan. Amir Khan.
Amir Khan, very good, right.
Yeah.
Okay, you like Amir Khan. Anyone else?
You, ma'am, you. The way you used to carry yourself in school. That
Okay.
was pretty good.
Thank you so much, Robin. So, okay, I would like to tell everyone that I have one student of also mine when I was the faculty member for Silver Mountain School of Hotel Management. So Robin is there. That's why he's saying that he's impressed by my personality. Nothing great, but yes, thank you so much, Robin.
Yeah.
So let's just move because we don't have much time. So let's just move. Maybe So personality actually is like a magnet, it attracts someone, the way magnet attracts, and it actually attracts the other person instantly. Now, I will just show you a few things on the screen and think about the personality. If you see, okay, I'm just showing you the picture of shoes, okay? See this one? Now this one. Okay. Have you all imagined about the personality after looking at the shoes?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was the personality for the first one, the black shoe which I showed?
It is related to official.
Official, very good. What about the other one, which is the heart? What about this? This one?
Party.
What about this one?
Casual wear.
Casual wear, okay. This one?
Fancy types,
Yeah, so when we're talking about a personality, you'll think that, okay, this must be this type of shoes. Maybe when you're going for a party, you wear it, or maybe a person who's very, who likes all these fancy things is going to wear these type of shoes, right?
Yeah.
What about this one?
Wearing.
Yeah, maybe this is not a very, very flashy one, so not a normal wear also. And what about this one?
Okay. Classic one.
Maybe a person you think that, oh, maybe the model, the person has this, they want to wear. So actually, yeah, when we're talking about all these things, we create an image about a person. With the shoes only, I'm talking about creating an image. So imagine when the person is looking at you, when the person is meeting you in person, how that person can actually, the other person can make an image about everyone. Let's take a test now, okay? So you all can write your answers on the chat if you. Let's take a test. This says, everyone can actually read it?
Yes.
Yeah, so whenever you enter a room, the first impression, it takes a few seconds actually, people make an impression of you, right? Do you all agree with it or disagree?
Perceptions.
Okay, so you can just keep on writing there in the side, your chat box, and Payal, you can actually see how many of our writing true and false, so we can actually discuss.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, and there's another one where you're talking about your tie should be representation of your like. Maybe in case you're a chef, then you should have a tie with the giant bacon stripes. Do you again agree with it or do not?
Yes, ma'am. Maximum has agreed.
Agreed. Okay. The first question, maximum have agreed.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. And what about the second one? Your tie?
It's all true.
All true?
Yes, ma'am. Some have written false, and it's like 90% true and 10% false.
90%?
Yes, ma'am. Maximum disagree false. For the second
Yeah,
one,
second
I
one.
disagree.
Okay. Right. Can you just check? Can you unmute a few of them who are like, or maybe there's a sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Some of the perception people can actually form solely from your appearance, right? These are the options which I'm giving you. Your professionalism, if you go to college, or maybe your level of application, your age. You can actually give multiple questions answers also, but I think if you can just choose one, that would be nice. Or maybe one or
It's
two.
false. Yeah, maximum has replied false. Yes, ma'am.
False?
For the second one.
For the second one, yes. Okay, okay. Right, because when we're talking about the tie, it is not about the profession. So maybe in case you're a chef, you can't wear a tie where you're having a lot of vegetables on it, but maybe you have to wear a tie as per the occasion. If you're going to the office, definitely you'll be wearing a tie which is sober and sophisticated. In case you're going for a party, you can actually wear a very flashy tie, which is maybe nowadays you have those leather ties also. I've seen very nice leather ties. So you can wear those type of ties when you are actually going for a party, right? Now here, when we're talking about some of the perception people can actually form solely from your appearance. Have you done this one? Let me go to the other question. Yeah, this is quite interesting, right? How many of the boys have actually a long fingernail that's the smaller fingernail? How many of you have it? The smallest one for the boys. For girls, we actually keep our fingernails long.
Yeah, everyone is saying false.
False, okay. Watches should be brightly colored, simply with the leather middle, or large and flashy.
No.
Okay, then shoes for both men and women should be
Please, everyone, I request to mute the mic. You can write it on chat box, or you can raise your hand so that I can unmute you.
Yeah, so this is the last question which is there.
True. The answer is true for the last
Okay.
question.
Should be kept to a minimum. Very good. It's actually it has to kept on minimum. Okay, now. So why I'd ask you all these questions are because actually when we are talking about personality, and here when we're talking about personality, we're talking about a professional word also, because you all are going to enter the professional world. In case you're doing your MBA, if you're already working, then also you have to create an image when you're in the when you're in the organization. So that is the reason I had actually asked. So when we talk about personality, so first before I give you a few personality tips, let me just tell you all that apart from the things which we are going to talk, personality is actually not only about our I'll just give you the hints later on, but the main part which I talk about personality is that we must have a very good personal hygiene. That is very much required, because that is the main part of personality. Now, personal hygiene, when we are talking about, I'll not give more focus on each and every topic, but yes, again, when we're talking about our cleanliness, because that is one of the most part which we all are, I think, following more than which we used to do it earlier because of the coronavirus, right? We are taking care of our hygiene so much. So that is one of the main part. And after that, when we talk about, there are certain personality development tips which we can actually follow. So when we talk about personality, definitely when we're talking about, it's actually an organized pattern of our behaviors and attitude. When we meet someone, as I told you when I started, when we meet someone, we will definitely create an image, or maybe we think about the person once we meet for the first time, the way the person carries. So before I start these personality tips, let me tell you one thing. The first main tip which I always say is a smile. Do you all agree with me? A genuine smile.
Yes.
Right? And I think just so we are talking about corona, they're saying contagious. I always say smiling is a contagious disease. Sarne bimari ho, hai na? Someone smiles at you and you smile at you. You smile at them, even if you don't know them, because it's a sudden, like even if you're walking on the road and suddenly someone is smiling at you, we are not able to see anybody smile because we are wearing masks all the time, right?
Yeah.
But normally before the corona, if you are walking on the street, maybe you go to the mall, you go to a shop, you go to any department store, someone is coming from front and that person smiles at you, and what you do is you smile back, right?
Yes.
Automatically the smile comes because it's something which is very contagious. But in case someone is crying, do we cry with him or her? Right? So first thing, when you have a good personality, you should definitely make sure that you smile. And smile is actually very, very contagious. So definitely you should smile. After that, when we're talking about all these personality tips, get stuck. Okay, yeah. The first thing which you should know is know yourself. You all know yourself, right?
Yes.
You all know yourself? How well do you all know yourself? Know yourself is basically, you should know about your weaknesses, your strength, how do you behave, what is your attitude towards people, because that is one of the very important part. So know yourself is the beginning of the wisdom. If I don't know myself, if I just always portray even if I portray a very different image in front of everyone, what I am. So you should know actually yourself, and you should understand, because this is when you're able to know yourself, you will be able to understand your weaknesses and your strength. So you should actually think about, what is my strength? How do I behave in a particular situation? Do I get very hesitated, or maybe I get angry very soon? So first thing is that you have to know yourself, and then you can improve on, definitely in case you have certain weakness, try to improve those weakness. If you have some strength, try and use that strength in a very, very better way. Now, second one is confident. Now, confidence will definitely come once we know something very well. All of you are in college, right? Favorite subject hola, right? You have some favorite subject of yours?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So maybe I was very confident. Whenever it used to come to maths, I was always, I can just share it with you all that I never got more than, I think, 55 or 60 marks in maths. So I was always not very good subject, because I used to, and whenever this exam, maths exam used to be there, I'll shiver, I'll have, my stomach I'll have stomach aches, and I don't know what not, because I was not confident at all for all particular subject. So you have to make sure that be confident. Do your work properly wherever you are doing. Maybe in case you're college, maybe in case you're talking about your job, you have to. So confidence is actually not being proud. When we're talking about confidence, we're not talking about being proud that, oh, I'm very proud that I can do it. Yes, you should feel proud, but again, be confident in whatever you're doing, and then make sure that there are no mistakes. And when you're trying to do your work properly or your job properly or your studies properly, you will understand that your confidence keeps on growing, and definitely it's growing to go each and every day. So definitely with second point is confident which you have. Now comes is check your attire. How many times do we actually, especially for the girls, I think I don't have to ask, because whenever we have to go anywhere, even if it's office or even if we are going for a party, I think we empty the whole Almira and then also we say, oh, ke China, ke lagaun, ke China, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We are always short of clothes because we don't know what to wear, but then we want to look the best. So whenever we are talking about, when you are wearing the best of your clothes, you feel very confident, right? And so that's why here when I'm talking about check your attire is whenever you're going, maybe for an interview, maybe you're going to the office, you should always check your attire. It has to be appropriate as per the occasion. Then only your confidence, you'll be confident. At times it happens that maybe there's a party, like, a wedding party. But sometimes we have to go from office directly. And we are actually dressed up in formals, but we are not dressed up in the party dress because everyone is wearing all those sari and then chuda and, everyone is very nicely dressed up. But when we go from the party, or maybe at times I go from my office, I feel that, oh, I'm just wearing a pant, like, a shirt pant or maybe a coat or the same. At times I feel a little odd there. Why? Because everyone is dressed up in a very different way. But at the same time, in case I'm coming to the office and if I'm wearing a very flashy suit or maybe a very flashy sari, I'm not confident at that time also. So definitely when we talk about your personality, you should dress up as per the occasion. See your attire before you leave from home. See your attire, how you're looking. Especially when we're talking about right now, I think most of the participants are either working or they are going to now start their life. We have got mixed of from MBA students, we have got hotel management students. So for everyone, I think wearing the formal attire when you're going to the office is very much required. So make sure that it's not only about your shirt or your trouser, your shoes, everything should actually be very professional. Then you are going to have a very good image and people are going to have good image about you, because you're working in the organization. It is not you, but you are representing an organization. As initially Payal said that Neeru Dugal from Amadeus, Nepal, right? So I'm representing my company. So whenever I go to meet people, I always give my card and I say, I'm Neeru from Amadeus, right? Because that is the representation which I'm doing. So I'm representing my company, and definitely with my image, my company's image is also attached. So when you are talking about have a good personality, and you must have seen when you buy a new dress or maybe one dress which you really like it, the day you wear it, you feel very confident about it. Wow, I'm looking so nice because the fitting is so good. But in case some days when you are just getting, you are in hurry and you don't wear a proper, the whole day your confidence level goes down. You don't feel confident because you're not very confident about the attire which you're wearing. So make sure that your attire is really good. Good means I'm not talking about expensive, but I'm talking about a professional way, right? Definitely that's what I'm talking about. It's not necessary that we have to go for brands. It's not necessary, but the thing which we have, in case we carry it nicely, yes, definitely it makes a difference. How many of you follow this? You can unmute and say, how many of you follow this? Or how many of you like when someone appreciates you?
Yes, मन परिहाल्छ नि अरूले appreciate गर्यो भने त.
Very good. That's what I wanted. Yes. अरूले गरे पनि मन परिहाल्छ नि. So why can't we also do it for the others? When someone appreciates me, I like it. So why can't I appreciate others? Because that is a very, very simple funda. But at times I have seen that people get little bit of, I don't know, kanjus appreciation. We don't have to do kanjusi. If someone is doing a good job, appreciate. Your personality will develop. People will like you. People will start liking you. I'm not saying that give a false appreciation, not required. Not false appreciation, but yes, when you are appreciating someone, people really feel good about it. See, if you actually see a small baby also. Anyone of you has a small brother or a sister or anyone and small baby at home?
Yeah, I have my small brother.
Your small brother. So you must have seen when your brother comes from the school, maybe a small thing when he has made a drawing and the teacher has given a smiley face. And when the kid comes home and when brother comes home and he wants to show it to Didi, hero na male smiley.
Yeah.
Look at the happiness on the face of the boy or the girl, right? Because they
Yes.
feel happy someone is appreciating. And त्यही time in case wow, very good done, very well. You kasto ramro banasa. And then, so when I talk about appreciation, you should always actually, I'm not saying that all the time you have to appreciate, but for your staff also, when, or maybe for your colleagues also, what I do is I always appreciate. So first there's something called, which is called a sandwich method. Okay. I'll just tell you about that. There's something called, which is sandwich method. And sandwich method is that you should actually, even if you want to tell your maybe colleagues, your brother, sister, anyone, you want to tell them that they've done something wrong, what you have to do is, how do we make a sandwich? There's a bread. त्यसपछि भित्र उसमा केही टपिङहरु जो हामीले चाहिन्छ, maybe in case it's a vegetable sandwich, you'll put vegetable in that. In case it's a maybe potatoes, this thing, so you'll put a potato thing, or maybe sausage or something, and then again you put another bread piece on that, right? So the same way, in case you're doing appreciation, you can do that. Appreciate first, tell them that, yeah, very well done, it's a very good job. The second thing comes is, you can tell them that this would have been much better in case तपाईले यो अलिकति add गरे भने अझै राम्रो हुन्थ्यो. So that means you're appreciating, but at the same time, you're trying to tell them that there was something in between where you went wrong, but you can actually do it. And again, on top of that, you can say, I know it very well that you will be able to do it. So that is the way of appreciating. Now, appreciation is very much required. So, and once you start appreciating, believe me, one of the most important part, you will find that your personality is developing, because these are actually the things. See, personality is something which keeps on developing because we are thinking good. We are thinking good about people. We are thinking good about the other people who are around us. We are thanking them. So here you can see, thank you, great job. These are very simple things, but if you appreciate your staff, your colleagues, your friends, in your this thing, you're not, in case you're not working, or maybe in case someone is not working under you, your friend has done something for you. You people do lot of projects. Appreciate, wow, you are very good in that, and so thank you so much that you helped me out. See, I was able to get, or maybe we as a team were able to get good marks when we were doing this, we had done this. So these are very simple things when we talk about thank you and great job, very well done, we all can do it better way. So these are the simple words which we can actually say about appreciation. Speech. Okay, speech again is very important. How many of you have seen this movie where it was Amitabh Bachchan and Rajesh Khanna? I'm forgetting, Anand. It's a very old movie. I know you all are young people. You wouldn't have seen that, but I'll tell you. Anything of you have seen that? Anyone of you have seen this movie, Anand?
No.
No? Okay. No, okay. So I'll tell you a small story about speech when we are talking about speech. Actually, why I'm giving you this example of this particular movie is, in this movie, Amitabh Bachchan is a doctor. Rajesh Khanna is a patient who has got cancer. Now, Rajesh Khanna has a habit of talking a lot. Ekdam dhere kura garcha, and Amitabh Bachchan is totally different. Ekdam hi shant huncha ni, does not talk much at all. So when he comes to the hospital, Amitabh Bachchan has said that he has got some disease, and cancer is, again, we are talking about this movie which was so many years back. So he knows it very well that he has got cancer and maybe he will not survive. And this person is always talking of Smaira Pani. When he comes to the hospital also, he keeps on, chatting with the doctors and telling something or the other. He's not sitting at one place. So Amitabh Bachchan gets very angry and he says, do you know what disease you have? And this person says, I don't know. And he says, you have got lymphosarcoma of intestine. He said, wow, what a disease. Kya naam hai? Lymphosarcoma of intestine, right? And then he says, but what is that? I don't know what is exactly what lymphosarcoma of intestine is. He said, tumko cancer hai. And then he says, okay, to aap simple way mein bol sakte the. Why I've given you this example is, there are a lot of people, yes, it's not bad to use big words. They're really good because your vocabulary is going to increase. But again, see the situation, see the people whom you're dealing with. In case you are talking to a student, or maybe you're talking to someone, maybe the help who comes to my place, she comes every time. If I use words, she will not be able to understand. Because I'm using very heavy words. So speech is actually, first thing is that there should be a clarity in speech. When you're talking, it has to be very, very clear. Have a very clear speech when you talk to people. Do not use very heavy words. Yes, you can, maybe in case when you're in a meeting or something, you can use those words, but the meaning should be understandable to the person. If I'm talking to you right now, if I start using very some words which maybe I would have picked up from the dictionary to use it today, but that will not be a use of it, because you will not, maybe I'm not talking about everyone, but maybe few of you will not be able to understand. Mamle ke bhanira sa, you kun word ho bhanera, then obviously the communication will stop. So what we have to do is speech should be very clear, use very clear words, so have a very decent and simple manner of speaking. That is also very effective. It is necessary that we have to have fake accent. It is not necessary that we have to use only very heavy words. We have to actually, we can speak very decently, we can actually speak very simple way. That is the best part. So that is again one of the important part when we are talking. So keep it simple, very simple. People will like it, they will understand, because at times when you are using very heavy words, maybe at times people will start avoiding also. Oh my god, this person मैले कुरा गर्दाखेरि अलिकति कुन word use गर्छ होला, मलाई थाहै हुँदैन, मलाई थाहै छैन के भनिरहेछ, so it's better not to talk. So that is the reason we should actually have a very decent and simple manner of speaking. But whatever you're speaking, be confident, be very clear, so that the other person understands. So am I clear? Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then after that, one of the most important part, body language, right? Everyone knows that. Now here, because I'm on a Zoom call right now, I'm not able to show you. Otherwise, when I'm taking a class, when I'm having my trainings on one-on-one basis, then I stand and I tell them how to sit and how to use your hands and all. But yes, I will tell you the basics of body language, because body language is very much important. People, again, your personality, people can understand, or maybe people can judge your personality by your body language, the way you speak, the way you talk to people, the way you look at each other. See, if you can see when you're shaking hand, yes, there are so many types of handshakes which we call dead fish handshake, we call it handshake, we call it aggressive handshake. There are different types of handshakes which are so shake hand with you become the personality. But unfortunately, after Corona, we all are going to have a social distancing. So I think we all are going to avoid hand, at least for some few months, maybe till the everything comes back normal. But in our nation, where shake hands with people, we actually shake hands. So definitely you come to the personality. Anyone of you knows how you can just tell me. How many types of body languages are there? No? Okay, let me go. Let me tell you. So we have 5 types of body language. Now anyone can tell me?
We have a question from Vivek Bhatta.
Yeah.
He's asking, can you please suggest us to speak English fluently as do?
Okay, I will come to that point. Yes. Okay. So if you want to speak English fluently, definitely first thing is that it is, if don't just think that in case you're not able to speak English or maybe any other language fluently, then your personality, you don't have a good personality. Definitely you have a personality, but yes, when we're talking about speaking English fluently, how I learned, I'll tell you my experience. I have studied in place called Gwalior. I think you all must be knowing, because I think Himani, our Queen Himani, is also from I think from that clan only, Gwalior. I was there in Gwalior for almost 10 years. I started my schooling from Kanpur, but from 2nd till 10th I was there. And Gwalior is a place where, if that time I'm talking about, in case you talk in English, my friends and all, apart from my school friends, the other people who were there in the colony and all, they used to avoid talking to us because they were not so much, pro in English. And what happened was, when we used to go to the school, definitely we were supposed to speak in English only, we were talking English only. But when we used to come back home with my friends, we deliberately never used to speak English so that to become a part of that group. And what happened was when I shifted to Delhi, I literally had problem in adjusting at that time. I was able to speak English, but again, not very fluently. Why? Because त्यो बिचमा जो gap आयो नि स्कुलको अनि इभिनिङमा आएर आफ्नो फ्रेन्ड्सहरुसँग इन्टरेक्ट गर्दाखेरि there was some gap. So my father told me, then let's do one thing. He used to talk in English at home with us. We were fined in case we were not talking in English. So what he started doing was he used to appreciate us. So every day evening, whenever, first thing we started doing was start writing few small generals, just maybe small, anything which comes into your mind, start writing. And then make sure that if you have good friends who will not, good friends means I'm saying that there are people who make fun, but you have people who are like you, few friends who really want to speak in English, you can start talking to them in English only. And make sure that if you are not talking in English, you are going to treat me because that's your, not a punishment, but yes, you are going. And then in case the other person says, okay, or maybe the person, because you all are very good in your own language. This is a new language which you want to speak fluently. Once you start doing it with your friends, you will you'll understand that in few days, you are getting fluent in it. Because you are comfortable with your friend, maybe you're comfortable with your sister, with your father, with your mother, with your brother, anyone, start talking to them. And then you can actually, because at times it used to happen, initially for me also, I know very well what I'm supposed to talk, but it is not coming out. Why? Because that confidence was not there. So if you want to learn, talk English fluently, start talking to your friends, and then make it a habit that, okay, let's not use any other language. Let's just talk in English only so that you become more confident. And then after some time, you'll find that, yes, you are very confident. Talk to your teachers in case you're very comfortable with, not a problem at all. You'll have so many teachers who will understand that, yes, you want to learn English. So talk to them in English, not a problem. They are going to correct you in case at all. Just don't have that fear that if I'm talking in English or I'm not fluent, people are going to make fun of you. Not at all. My Nepali is not so good. It's fine. How I learned Nepali, I'll tell you again. How I learned Nepali was when I was working with one of the travel agency. People used to call me, and the time I had shifted from India. So people used to call me, and then on my phone they'll say, Nisha le pao na, or maybe Nisha le denu na phone. And I used to ask them, I can also help you out. Why don't you talk to me? And one person told me, Hajurle to jaile pani English mein gura garnu huncha. अनि हामीले कम्फर्टेबल हुँदैन म्याम त्यो चल्दाखेरि आई सेड ओके लेट्स डू वन थिङ तपाईले मलाई नेपाली सिकाउनु अनि म हजुरले इंग्लिश और मेबी हिन्दी सिकाउँछु भने
म्याम हजुर इन्डियाको हो
पार्मी
इन्डिया हजुरको घर
yes, but then I'm here in Nepal since last 17 years, so I'm actually 17 years देखि I'm here. I'm a Nepali only now.
I'm so quite surprised that you speak Nepali, so
oh, thank you so much. So that's what and then this was they were very comfortable. So whenever they used to call up, it went the other way around. Niru ma'am le pao na, Niru ma'am, okay. And then they used to tell me. So I'll tell you one incident which was very nice. One of my colleague in the office only, and he was telling me, Niru ma'am, mala Hindi sikhaunu. And I said, okay. So one day I was not listening to him. Ke bhani raha tha, ani mala suni na. Ke bhansa tha sa? Niru ma'am, main bhanta hu, aap sunta nahi hai. So this type of language, but then again, I learned that way. So no language is tough at all. Alikati tabale, yes, you have to afno tarafबाट पनि effort गर्नुपर्छ. You have to do the effort from your side, and you'll be able to understand. So I think I hope that I have answered your question. So now let's just talk about 5 types of body language. First is eye contact, definitely very much required. When you are talking to someone, you should always look into the eyes of the person. Now, when we talk about look into the eyes of the person, means not staring, but looking in a very nice way. Because, and especially when you're having a handshake also, you should look into the eyes of the person so that the person knows that, yes, because that's actually contact. So eye contact is very much required. After that, your facial expressions, right? I always sing a song, Tum itna jo muskura rahe ho. Have you, any one of you heard this song? Tum itna jo मुस्कुरा रहे हो, क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो. So this is the song when, I don't know whether again you all have seen the movie or not, but this lady is actually having a problem. आफ्नो घरबाट उसको husband ले, he's ditched her, and then she comes to the friend and उसको साथीले हेरेर एकदम हाँसिरहेछ कि just to show that I'm very happy, but the friend actually understands. तुम्हारी आंखों में आंसू है, what are you trying to hide? So your facial expressions actually should match your words. If I'm saying I'm very happy to be with all of you, you can see if I say I'm very happy to be with all of you. Do you think my facial expressions and my voice is matching?
Yeah.
I'm very happy because when I'm talking about I'm very happy, my eyes are getting little brighter, my smile comes, right? So that is this. Facial expressions actually really mean a lot because again, people judge with you with your facial expressions. Then comes is your gestures. Gestures is again, positive people will always have the gestures. We call it open gestures. So your hand should be open. Don't have a closed posture. If you can look at me, you can just want to have a closed posture because this shows that we are actually not open to ideas. So you should not have this posture, especially when you're talking to your seniors, maybe someone who's senior to you at your place, or maybe with your customers. You should never have this type of gesture because this is supposed to be a closed posture, not a very open posture. So, and then these are actually the gestures. Now, posture stance, again, that is very much required. When you sit, you're supposed to sit straight. You should not just put your hands in the pocket when you're talking to your customers, or maybe whenever you're talking to your seniors. That is not a very good thing. Again, when you're just talking to someone, don't keep on playing with the pen, or don't keep on doing like this. If I keep on doing like this, how will you like it when I'm talking and I'm playing with my hair? You will not like it, right? So these are the postures and stands which are there. And one more very important thing which I always add is space relationship. That is one of the main part of body language, and definitely about your personality, because space relationship is how much distance you are maintaining between yourself and the person whom you're talking to. Even if, like, okay, with the friends, I've seen no problems at all. You people hold your friend's hand and you're walking, not a problem at all, because that is a normal thing, no problems. But when we're talking about two people talking, maybe in the office, maybe in the college, when you're about how much should be a difference between a customer and the person who's actually giving the service, how much distance should be in your boss and in the person who's working, the employee. You should keep a little bit of space. So usually, because now again I cannot show you how it is, but usually what we say is it should be 1 arm distance. So your 1 arm distance, it should be little. So you are actually you're a little far off from the person, so that the person does not feel that you're pouncing on him and you're just coming in front of him. So these are very simple things, but again, if you have very good body language, you are confident enough, you will be able to, definitely your personality is developing. Now, what about positivity? If I ask, how many of you are positive?
I have one question.
Yes, please, go ahead.
जस्तै कि हामीले अब कुनै स्टेजमा स्पिचहरु दिँदा डेलिभर गर्दाखेरि त्यहाँनिर जुन त्यो अगाडि त्यो माइक राख्ने हुन्छ नि, जुन कभर, स्टेज कभर जस्तो, त्यसमा स्पिच दिनु र एउटा फ्री स्टेजमा स्पिच दिनुमा के डिफरेन्स छ? त्यसमा जसले हाम्रो गेस्टर पोस्टरहरु त लुकाइरा हुन्छ नि, हाम्रो फेस मात्रै देखिरा हुन्छ, हाम्रो तलको डाउन पार्ट त देखिदैन नि, त्यसमा के डिफरेन्स?
Hajur, I think you're talking about the podium, because when you are on the stage and in case there's a podium which is kept in front of you, and then so usma pani podium ma gardakheri pani you don't have to lean, isto huncha ni podium isto lean garera pani you should not talk like that. And tapeko posture pani, even if you're not standing straight, podium cha feri pani tha paihalcha, because at times you keep on moving from one leg to the other one, so tyo tha paihalcha. First thing is, right, definitely when you're standing in front of the podium, alikati distance राख्नु पर्छ from the mic, because in the podium there'll be a mic which is kept in front of you. Alikati त्यो distance राखेर अनि यसको उसमा माथि lean नगर्ने, and त्यो टाइममा पनि you have to make sure that you're looking at all the audience rather than reading. Like at times what happens is there's a speech which is in front of you, but you're not looking at the audience there who are in front of you. That again will not give a very good image about yourself. I understand that there are in case you are announcing something, maybe in case it's a AGM, and there in case or maybe something where you're going to announce which you are supposed to read, perfectly fine. केही फरक पर्दैन, तपाईले read गरेर look at the person, audience. Do not ignore the audience. Look at them and try and just look at the whole thing, because we are talking about a podium. That means it will be a big, maybe a hall or hunsa ni alikati badi audience when you have, then only we see. Now, apart from that, in case you are talking about the normal stage without the podium, त्यो टाइममा you have to make sure that you do not move a lot. धेरै पनि move गर्नु पर्दैन, but at the same time you don't even have to stand straight. दुईटै कुरा छ, उसमा फेरि एकदम balancing चाहिन्छ. So you're again, you can move little bit, because in case on the full stage agadi podium छैन भने, if you're only standing straight, that will not give a good impression, because you have to make sure that you alikati घुमिरहेछ, तपाईको hand movement बढी हुनु पर्यो त्यो टाइममा. But when you're talking on the podium, maybe your hand movement will not be much, but when you're on the stage, your hand movement, and again hand movement should be this is the open gesture, like this, it should not be like behind us to pachadi rakera pani garnu milदैन अनि यस्तो पनि गरे कुरा नगर्ने, but yes, definitely your gesture should be, this is known as open gesture. So that gives a very good image about someone who's talking about. And then again, a lot of alikati confused hunsa. Definitely I know it happens, but त्यो words हरु धेरै use गर्न हुँदैन. Is it clear or any?
Yes, clear.
Okay, thank you so much. Now comes this positive. Positivity is really, really one of the most important part of personality. Lot of time we meet people, and हामी कति चोटी मान्छेहरुले भेट्छ नि, even if एकछिनको लागि भेट्छ भने, oh wow, that person को कस्तो राम्रो positive vibe आइराछ भने भन्छ नि हामी. And because positivity is really, if you're not positive, कुनै पनि उसमा एकदमै गाह्रो हुन्छ, like any situation, because if you're negative, you'll always be thinking negative, and when you're negative, your brain will be full of negativity. Once your brain is full of negativity, you'll not feel good about it, you'll not feel, your face will not be smiling face, because jaile pani dimag ma tyo negative purai bhaira huncha. So we must make sure that we are positive. Euta sano story tapaile भन्छु हैन. There was a king, एउटा राजा थियो के, अनि राजा को एकजना सेनापति थियो. So सेनापतिले जहिले पनि राजा एकदमै उसको सेनापतिको उसमा एकदमै डिपेन्डेन्ट थियो कि जहाँ के गर्ने हो भने सबै कुरा उसले सोधेर है, and he used to do it. So and त्यो सेनापति was very positive भनेपछि every कुरामा हुन्छ नि, whatever happens for good, जे हुन्छ राम्रोको लागि हुन्छ भनेर उसको एउटा के. अनि एक दिन कस्तो भयो भने राजाजी was actually त्यो sword हुन्छ नि, तलवार, अलिकति तलवारबाट के गरिरहेको थियो, अनि बाई चान्स तलवारको उसमा एकदम राजाजीको हात कटेको, अनि त्यो एउटा finger cut भएर it was bleeding badly. अनि त्यो टाइममा त डक्टर्सहरु थियो, वैद हुन्छ नि, वैद आए अनि वैदले हेर्दाखेरि राजाजी एकदम नराम्रोसँग काटेछ, यो त हजुरको उंगली काट्नु पर्छ नि, त्यो गाह्रो हुन्छ भनेर त्यो उंगली काट्नु पर्यो राजाजीको. अब सबैजना आएर हो कस्तो गाह्रो भयो राजाजी, तपाईको सट्टामा त हाम्रो कटे हुन्थ्यो, हाम्रो राजा प्रजाले आएर के भनेर थियो, अरु मिनिस्टरहरु पनि आएर they were telling that same thing. And what happened was, this person comes, the minister comes, and he looks at you, हो राजाजी एकदमै नराम्रोसँग भएको छ यो त, but ठिकै छ, जो हुन्छ राम्रोको लागि हुन्छ. अनि त्यो कुरा सुनेर राजाजीले एकदमै रिस उठेको कि what do you mean by that, मेरो उंगली काटिसक्यो अनि यसमा के राम्रो छ भन्नु, त्यसमा के राम्रो छ, तिमी मेरो सेनापति बन्नेको लायक छैन, म तिमीलाई जेलमा हाल्दिन्छु भनेर he puts him in the jail. So जेलमा हाल्दियो भनेर. ल ठीक छ राजाजी, यसमा पनि केही न केही भलाइ होला, हुन्छ, हजुरले जे भन्छ म मान्छु, अनि he goes to the jail. Now after some time राजाजीको अलिकति हिलप भयो, अनि हिलप भएपछि अब king is king only, and he wanted to go for hunting हुन्छ नि, शिकारको लागि. So अब शिकारको लागि गए, अब जाँदाखेरि पहिला त जहिले पनि सेनापति सँगसँगै हुन्थ्यो, अब अहिले अर्को नयाँ सेनापतिले त्यति थाहा थिएन, अनि ल ठीक छ हामी सबै जाऊ उसको लागि. अनि जंगलमा त्यो के नाम छ उसको लागि, शिकारको लागि, हन्टिङको लागि गर्दा गर्दा अलिकति बीचमा रास्ता भट्कियो, बिर्सेको, अनि कहाँ भित्र गएर राजाजी एक्लै कहाँ गइसक्यो, अनि अरु जनाले कुर्दा राजाजी आएन भनेर they went back to the palace. अब राजाजी कहाँ गएको छ हामीले थाहा छैन, अनि उनीहरुले प्यालेसमा गइसक्यो. यहाँ कस्तो भयो भने राजाजीले अब अगाडि गएर र त्यो आदिवासी हुन्छ नि, त्यो बस्तीमा गएर आदिवासीहरुले समातेको. अब आदिवासीले समातेर अब राजाजीले थाहा छ किन के त हुन्छ, बिकज उनीहरुले एकदमै त्यो एउटा त्यो बलि दिनको लागि हुन्छ नि एउटा उनीहरूको गडेसको त्यहाँ थियो अनि पुरा राजेशले रेडी पारेर अनि मान्छेले एकदमै स्वाड निकालेको के बलि दिनु पर्यो भनेर अनि एकजना मान्छेको सडनली त्यो उंगलीमा हात आँखा गयो क्या ओहो त हुँदैन भने उनीहरूले आफ्नो ल्याङ्ग्वेजमा भनिरहेको थियो राजाजीले त ल्याङ्ग्वेज बुझ्दैन आफ्नो ल्याङ्ग्वेज भनेको हुँदैन भनेर राजाजीले छोडिदिएको बिकज when you're giving बलि दिँदाखेरि मान्छेले एकदम पर्फेक्ट हुनुपर्छ त्यो कहीँ पनि त्यो कटवट नहुनुपर्छ भनेर राजाजी थ्याङ्क गॉड भनेर रिलिभ भएर राजाजी वेन्ट ब्याक टु प्यालेस आफ्नो प्यालेसमा आएर सबभन्दा पहिला त यो सबैजनाले सेनापतिहरूले सबैले एकदम he literally scolded them कि किन तिमीहरू मलाई छोडेर आएको तिमीहरूले मलाई किन लिएर गएको थियो म राजा भएर पनि एक्लै थियो अनि तिमीहरू सबैजना होइन सर हामीले त्यो बाटो थाहा पाएन अनि हामीले सोचेको हजुर कहाँ गयो भने हामी फिर्ता आएन ल ठिक छ थ्याङ्क गॉड म बचेको आज अनि एकचोटि मेरो सेनापतिले बोलाओ त भनेर त्यो जेलमा जो थियो नि त्यहाँबाट निकालेको के अनि जेलबाट निकालेर भन्छ तिमीले एउटा कुरा एकदमै ठिक भनेको थियो म तिमीले थ्याङ्क यू भन्न चाहन्छु अगेन एप्रिसिएसन म तिमीले थ्याङ्क यू भन्न चाहन्छु किनकि उसले भनेको के भयो सर किन थ्याङ्क यू होइन तिमीले भनेको थिएन अस्ति जो हुन्छ राम्रोको लागि हुन्छ सो म त्यहाँ गएको थियो अनि यस्तो मेरो उंगलीको चल्दाखेरि आज म बचेको छु अदरवाइज मेरो त आज बलि भइहाल्थ्यो होइन सो थ्याङ्क यू सो मच तिमीले ठिकै भनेको थियो जो हुन्छ राम्रोको लागि हुन्छ अनि त्यसपछि उसले पनि भनेको सेनापतिले सर म पनि हजुरले थ्याङ्क यू भन्न चाहन्छु कि अनि तपाईले मलाई जेलमा हालेको किन त्यसमा जेलमा गएको के राम्रो छ भने त यसमा के तिमीले भनेको कि जो हुन्छ राम्रोको लागि हुन्छ अनि हजुर इन केस म जेलमा भएन भने त म हजुरसँगै हुन्थ्यो नि म त जहिले पनि हजुरसँगै हुनुपर्ने छोड्नु मिल्दैन अनि म त पुरा पर्फेक्ट छु सो बलि त फेरि मेरो हुन्थ्यो राइट सो त्यो चल्दाखेरि जो हुन्छ राम्रोको लागि हुन्छ भनेर द्याट इज द राइट थिङ वी एक्चुअली हेभ टु लिसन हेभ टु बी भेरी पोजिटिभ इन केस हामी पोजिटिभ छैन हेरौँ न रोज हुन्छ नि रोज फ्लावर जो हुन्छ गुलाबको फुल उसमा पनि कति काँटा हुन्छ नि सो नेगेटिभ पिपल विल थिङ्क हेरो त यस्तो राम्रो छ रोजमा पनि भगवानले किन काँटा दिनु पर्यो बट पोजिटिभ पिपल विल थिङ्क वाओ हेरौँ न काँटाको बिचमा पनि यस्तो राम्रो एउटा फुल खिल्न सक्छ सो द्याट इज द वे वी हेभ टु बी एभ्री सिचुएसनमा पोजिटिभिटी हुन्छ एटलिस्ट आई बिलिभ इट एभ्री सिचुएसनमा पोजिटिभिटी हुन्छ वी हेभ टु ओन्ली अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड एन्ड इफ यु आर नट एबल टु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड then definitely will become negative किनकि हामीले कुनै पनि कुरामा हामीले एभ्री सिचुएसनमा पोजिटिभिटी पनि खोज्न मिल्छ नेगेटिभिटी पनि खोज्न मिल्छ so that it all depends on how we actually think. Anyone wants to ask any question? No, should I carry on? Okay. Hajar. Yeah, any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So positivity, and actually, you know what? It is not easy. If I give you my example, maybe a few years back I was not very positive. Mo teti positive the na ke because I was a very emotional person, and every time I used to think, oh, yo mosangi kina hunsa? Why the people are doing it to me? Why I'm not getting, you know, kati kurama I was not able to understand why it is happening to me, and every time I used to cry and all. But slowly, when I started working, when I started, you know, teaching, and when I came into training, I realized that everything is so good. Everything is so good around you. Actually, it is good one. It is only that you have to think positive, and then you'll be able to, think about that. Mero pani euta kasto, maybe I think I'll share it at the end. Before ending, I'll tell you. मैले पनि त्यो एउटा so phase मा गएको थियो where I was actually, you know, this is my second life, I can say. So I'll tell you later on, but yes, positivity ko kura tyo tabai tyo time ma bhanchu, so you'll definitely understand. Now again, be yourself. This is one of the most important part for personality development, for your personality, because I know that we learn from other people. So learning and copying are two different things, है ना? हमले learn गर्नु पर्छ. मैले in case मेरो साथीको एउटा के राम्रो बानी छ भने I have to learn. As I was just talking right now that I was not positive, but yes, I became little slowly. Now I am very, very positive. Why? Because I started learning from people. I looked at people, looked at them, and then definitely. But we cannot, like, suppose I like any of the, maybe any personality. Say if I say I like Madhuri Dixit, suppose. Definitely Madhuri Dixit vada male kati kura sikhnu milcha, right? Maybe she's so nice, her smile is very good, very, you know, so maybe I can smile and all. But otherwise, if I want to copy like her, I want to walk like her, I want to talk like her, what happens is after some time kahin to bhi mero afno personality khatam bhai halcha, because I'm trying to copy the other person. So what we have to do is, yes, we need to learn from other people. We need to take good habits, good things from other people, but be yourself. Whatever you are, tapaiको एउटा basic nature छ के. I think my staff, they agree. I always tell them, I am like that. I cannot change. I am emotional and I'll definitely remain emotional because म त्यो change ही गर्न सक्दैन. Maybe there is certain things where I'm soft. I have soft corner. Everyone tells me that I'm like, I have a mother figure for so many people. I cannot change it because that comes automatically. That is me. That is me. Even if I want to be rude, use rude words, I cannot, because that's not me. So be yourself, because everyone is unique. Don't ever compare that person is so good, why I'm not. You are unique. You have got your own qualities. You are very good. Ask your people, ask your parents, ask your father, ask your mother, ask your sister, brother, how good you are, how unique you are for them. So it is not, don't compare. Maybe at times we compare with other people and then we start feeling a little depressed. So you don't have to compare because you're so precious. You are unique in yourself. And for this thing, what you have to do is you have to love yourself. If you do not love yourself, you will not be able to, people will not love you. I always say love yourself. So what you have to do is early in the morning, every day we get up and we see mirror, right? Jaile pani washroom mirror hunsa ni. You go to any hotel, you'll find there's a big mirror. Why it is there is because you can see yourself. So what you have to do is every day morning, when you get up, when you are ready for the office or maybe for the college, at times usually it happens, we go and see in the mirror again. Look at yourself in the mirror and say, I love you. You are the best. You should do that, because till the time you do not love you, people will not love you. In case maile afule maya gardena bhane, how can I expect people to love me? So, but again, don't compare. Compare means, yes, comparison is something where you will be able to learn good things from people. But again, I do not do comparisons between my two kids. I do not do, because I know that duita chora chori, mero ekjana chora ekjana chori ho, duita ko nature different cha. Duijana ko their preferences are different. My daughter is more focused. My son is not, but my son is more brainy. So I cannot actually have the comparisons. I let them be themselves. So yes, you can actually take good things from people, learn good things from people, but don't lose your own personality. Be yourself. That will be the best part. One more thing, courteous. Simple words like thank you, sorry, pardon me, excuse me, very, very much required. But which I said initially also, appreciation, because if you are courteous, if you're polite, people will like you. I will give example. I think every time I give this example, I don't know how many trainings I've given this example, but I'm giving it again. Simple word like thank you. I used to walk from my place to take the taxi, and taxi later I used to go to NCM college, which is actually the other end of the thing. And every time, week ma teen choti I used to go, because I was teaching them personality development only. And I used to take the taxi, come back. Taxi, because जुन पनि taxi available थियो, I used to go. One day I was walking from Bhatbhateni. मेरो घर Bhatbhateni को अलिकति नजदीक छ. अलिकति दुईटा तीनटा झोला बोकेर I was walking, and suddenly एउटा taxi पछाडि एउटा आएर रोकेको के. निरु म्याम बालुवाटा जाने हो? I said yes. मैले sorry निरु म्याम हैन, दिदी भनेको त्यो टाइममा, दिदी बालुवाटा जाने हो? I said yes. अनि मैले म गाडी ट्याक्सीमा बसेको, अनि मैले तपाईले कसरी थाहा पाए कि म त्यहाँ बस्छु भनेर. दिदी तपाईलाई थाहा छैन तपाईले मेरो ट्याक्सी कति चोटी लिएको छ, यहाँबाट तपाई उता जाउँछ नि त्यो उसमा धोबी घाटतिर. मैले भने हाँ. अनि तपाईले ओर्लिँदाखेरि जहिले पनि मैले थ्यांक यू भन्छ के. अनि मैले उसले त्यो भनेको कि मैले कस्तो हुन्छ, पैसा त दिदी तपाई मलाई दिइराछु, अनि जहिले पनि तपाई पैसा दिएर पनि थ्यांक यू भन्छ के. अनि मैले हजुरको नाम थ्यांक यू दिदी राखेछ. मेरो घरमा सबैजना तपाईले थ्यांक यू दिदीको नाममा चिन्छ के. म जहिले पनि भन्छु मेरो बुढीले एकजना दिदी छ जहिले पनि थ्यांक यू भनेर आउँछ. And believe me, today the relation is, I call him Dai, he calls me Didi. We are so close to each other that we have become like a family. दशैंको टाइममा डेफिनेटली त्यहाँ उनीहरूको घरबाट अहिले पनि जहिले पनि एकदमै राम्रो बुहारी आलुको अचार बनाउँछ. She sends it for me. In case मैले ट्याक्सी चाहिन्छ भने I just have to give him half an hour time. And I'll just give half an hour time. Dai, एकचोटि मैले जानु पर्यो, हुन्छ नि दिदी म आइहाल्छु भनेर. Imagine that word called thank you has so much of effect. Just with thank you, I've become friendly. I've become like a friend. Like my kids, when they come, in case they are here for holidays, मैले केही टेन्सन लिनु पर्दैन. म बालकृष्ण दाइले बुलाएर अनि त्यो ट्याक्सीमा दाइ लिएर जानु हुन्छ नि, म लिएर जान्छु नि, के फरक पर्दैन. अनि I'm like, imagine that simple thank you, how this friendship started with thank you. These are very simple things which actually we can do. So we have to be, we have options. We can be rude, you can be polite. Choice is yours. If you're rude, maybe once or twice, your colleagues, your friends, your maybe relatives, they will definitely do something for you. But if you're polite, then you are having every time, I think people are going to, they will do everything for you, because politeness is very much required. And that really is going to, your personality is going to develop. So you should always be very courteous when you're talking to people. Again, be a little fun. Every time jaile pani serious basera ta maza aundaina ni. Oh, kati serious basni na. You can always have some fun. Crack little jokes, not a problem. Smile all the time. See the brighter side of the life. So definitely have, because this is very much required. This is necessary. In case, imagine tapai din bhar ekchoti yasto basnu to, by evening tapaiko, oh my God, look at the face. I don't feel like looking myself in the mirror. Tapaile afle man gardena wala, because your face becomes so ekdam stern face bhayalsa ke. So be a little fun. Enjoy. Life is just to enjoy. People have started realizing in these 2 months of Corona time that, oh, life is actually something to enjoy with the family, or maybe crack some jokes, not a problem at all. Ke farak padena. Friends haruसँग बस्दाखेरि पनि, don't just be very serious, or maybe, I don't want to talk to anyone. Mero mood chaina hoina. Be little fun. You can crack jokes. People will definitely like, smile as much as possible, laugh. Look at the brighter side of the thing, and you will definitely be very good. And one more important thing is, be a good listener. You listen to people, people will listen to you. So definitely you have to be a very good listener, because every good conversation starts with good listening. If you're able to listen to people, if you're, again, it's not that you cannot interrupt, ask questions, but be a good listener. When you are a good listener, you will make sure there are mistakes, because when you're a good listener, you are actually listening to them. There is a difference between hearing and listening, right? Listen to them, whatever they are saying, even if you are parents, even if you're teachers, even if you're seniors, anyone, or maybe at times your friends, listen to them properly. That again develop your personality. And again, very, very, very important tip about you. Know yourself. That is very much important. Again, which I told you earlier, also know yourself. And how you can do it is basically do your SWOT analysis. You all know SWOT analysis? You must have done it in your college and all, right? So SWOT analysis, actually do it for yourself also. So definitely concentrate on your strength. You, mero strengths are. Why can't I can actually use this strength for anything. I have the strength and I'll be able to do it. Recognize your weakness. Weakness pani ekdam zaruri. So I always usually tell everyone that if you feel that I'm wrong somewhere, please tell me. So that maybe I feel that I don't have any weakness. Maybe I feel that, yeah, I'm good in everything. But the other person who's dealing with me, the other people whom I talk to every day, the other people with whom I work every day, they must be knowing that, no, ma'am, there are some weaknesses in you. Hajur ko ye weakness hai. So you should recognize your weakness and try to overcome. If you're able to overcome your weakness, again, that will be a very good part. And if you get your opportunities do not knock your door again and again. Jale bani opportunity paye bani, grab the opportunity, because that will be really good. Any research your threats. Mero threat case hai. Now threat again as on, at times, maybe for the students, what is your threat? Maybe your friend who's getting good marks, he or she is your threat. Or maybe something else. So you should actually think about your threats. Mirror threat is my threat, and I should actually try to overcome that. Or maybe certain things now I'm not so much appropriate, so I have to actually do something to overcome those threats or my weaknesses, so that I'm able to perform well. Because these are very, very important things which we talk about in our day-to-day life. So it's a very good tool for us. Strength is, again, because you can give your best foot forward. I am very good in this thing. So usually what happens is, when we are also working, recently I was working with my team, I knew on what my team's strength is. So I had divided the work. I gave few things to 2 of my staff. I said, you're very good in that, so you do that. And they knew that they're very good in maybe, making the Excel sheet, or maybe doing very good things. So I've divided. So that was their strength. And actually they only came forward that, okay, ma'am, we can do this one. So definitely that is again a good part. Weakness everyone has. Do you think everyone is perfect? People say that I'm perfect. Nobody is perfect in the world. everyone has some weakness or the other, but how we try to overcome. My weakness was I was a runche manche. I always used to cry. My boss used to literally because at that time I was working at the reception. I was a receptionist. My boss used to come and tell me, "You gara sena timle gare karaunthyo ani mo tyahi roira hunthyo." And this pachi customer I bani, "Yes sir." You go left and right, and then he used to come and ask, "Hero Niru roira sa ke? Tell her to go and cry in the washroom." That was my weakness. I used to cry a lot, but now I have started slowly. I have started overcoming. I actually, I don't give up so fast. So definitely I'm trying to overcome that weakness that I don't have to cry. Opportunities, definitely everyone, you just have to look in this. Right now also when we talk about lockdown, there are people looking for opportunities. This is also an opportunity, no? Maybe I wouldn't have interacted with you all in the normal this month. Maybe how many of you have come online and we are interacting with each other, but maybe during a normal situation when lockdown was not there, maybe I wouldn't have got the opportunity to talk to you all, or maybe to at least give my inputs to all of you. You never know. Right now we have someone from Birganj, we have someone from Biratnagar, we have got people from different places. So this is an opportunity where I'm able to interact with all of you. So every time we have to look for the opportunities when we are there, and threats, definitely it is there. But no problems at all. We have to be very prepared for the threats and try to overcome. These are very important points. And in case you people are able to take all these points in day-to-day life, understand, definitely everyone will have a good personality, because personality is, I feel that yes, there are certain traits which are there in us, which are inborn. त्यो trait हुन्छ, but त्यो उसमा पनि हामीले add अझै गर्दा we can actually have a very good personality, because that is the most important point nowadays. And again, as when we are talking about personality, yes, we have to be positive, smile, think about other people, always look, keep yourself in other person's shoe, then you will understand. Rudely kura garecha bhane, in case someone talks to me, how will I feel? When you start having all these emotional intelligence, then you have to have all those communication skills. If you have very good communication skills, now everything does not come in only one day. It is going to develop slowly and steadily. For me also, I'm telling you, if my school friends who meet me now, I think till grade 10 I was an introvert. Maybe I had some stage fear thena. I used to definitely participate in singing. I used to participate in plays. I used to be on the lead in the plays, but I was an introvert. Every gathering I never used to, I'll always avoid sitting there and talking to them, because but now if you say, I can only talk for the whole day. I think so this will actually eventually, it never happened overnight. Never ever. It is not going to happen overnight. It will happen with the experiences which we have. So every day you are learning something new. Every day when you learn something new, your confidence level goes high. And when your confidence level goes high, you are able to perform well. When you're performing well, definitely, again, you feel that, yes, wow, this is me which I wanted to be. So your personality is definitely going to develop. And again, one more important thing which I would like to tell you is learn. Don't ever give up learning, because learning is never ending. Till today, I'm learning. I always say that I'm not a trainer, but I'm a learner, because I'm learning. I learn from my staff. My staff knows it very well. Excel ma kati kura male aamdena. I call up my staff and I'll ask them, my employees who are there in my team, I'll just call up them and ask, please tell me how to do it. Maybe for people it might sound silly, but not a problem at all, because if I don't ask, I'll be silly for the whole of my life. Rather than that, it's better to ask. So when I ask, I feel confident. I said, wow, I can do this one also. So these are the things which are very, very simple. But yes, don't ever give up learning. Keep on learning, keep on improving your personality, because if you have a good personality, again, as I told you, it is something like a magnet. So beauty attracts the eyes, but personality captures the heart. So yes, you will have the place in the heart of so many people if you have a very good personality. I think any questions if you have, because
I have one question.
Yeah, please, Hajur, please go ahead.
To develop our personality, should we be introvert or extrovert?
Introvert bhai pani kehi problems hai na, but when you're an introvert, what happens is Julia afno you'll not be able to express yourself, and if you're not able to express yourself, you will not be noticed also, and or maybe you will avoid start talking to people. So it's not that in case you're introvert you will not be able to develop your personality, but yes, wherever required, try to be extrovert, at least ask questions एकदमै चुप लाएर नबस्नु, but again express yourself, because till the time you must have seen घरमा पनि कस्तो हुन्छ भने in case you have got 3-4 brothers sisters, one of the brother or sister who's very जहिले पनि fighting and everything, सबैको attention त्यहाँ जान्छ के, and the person who's very quiet, usually people take it for granted. अब जस्तो quiet छ भने हाँ यसले त ठिकै छ, सबै ठिकै होला नि, because he does not say anything, अनि कहिले पनि केही भन्दैन, सबै ठिक होला भनेर people do not, maybe they take you for granted. So what I mean is, introvert is not bad, but yes, try to be extrovert, not very extrovert, but at least try to express your feelings. So bistare you'll have to start that one. Maybe initially you'll feel that, oh, I think it's better not to say, because in maile bole bhane manchele bura huncha hola ke, maybe the person will not like it. So kehi hundaina, you will have to at least little bit of this thing. So not एकदमै introvert भयो भने पर्सनालिटीमा अलिकति कहीं तो आइहाल्छ के, because then you will not be very confident. So start at least raising your voice भनेपछि it's not that talking loudly or something. Raising your voice means at least people should know that what you want, what people will not take you for granted. Mostly I have seen, when till the time I was introvert, I had seen people used to take me for granted के यो त केही भन्दैन, यो त केही बोल्दैन, हामीले जे भने पनि मानिहाल्छ नि. Slowly when I started saying something, then initially it was अलिकति गाह्रो भएको थियो कि ओ इसको भी बोल्न आता है भने त्यस्तो थियो के, फ्यामिलीमा पनि त्यस्तो थियो, ओहो ये भी बोल सकती है भनेर. But slowly when I started talking, when I started giving my feedback, or maybe I started keeping my हुन्छ नि opinions and all, people had started react गर्नु भयो, and त्यसपछि yes, obviously. So today if I feel that when I was introvert, I was happy myself, and I used to get hurt also. But when I became little extrovert means I'm not very extrovert. When I'm talking to everyone, yes, but I'm not very extrovert. But yes, I feel that in case we are introvert, people start taking us for granted. Okay, so that is the reason I think we should start alikati banu parse, because when you start working, when you are you working? By the way, I wanted to ask, are you working or are you a student?
I am a student, ma'am.
You are a student, right? So once you start working also, what happens is, in case you are an introvert, even if you're doing the best of your work, there are at times your seniors, because you're quietly doing your work, people most of the time do not notice. So definitely for getting notice, you don't have to be rude. You don't have to be एकदमै हुन्छ नि loud कुरा पनि गर्न पर्दैन, but at least you'll have to be a little bit of extrovert. तपाईले आफ्नो कुरा राख्नु पर्छ के. So you'll have to learn how to keep your points and keep your views in front of people, because right now tapeko while you are a student, you will have interaction with only limited people, but once you start working, you will be talking to your customers, you will be dealing with your colleagues who will be of different age groups, you will be dealing with your seniors, you'll be dealing with your juniors. So for that time you will have to be ekdami alikati, you'll have to learn how to view your give your views, otherwise people will not listen to you, they will. So that definitely will affect your personality. So you have to make sure that ali start garo aile dekhi, so that your personality improve. I'm not saying that personality is not there, but maybe personality could alikati, in case you're not confident, it is going to affect your personality. So that's my view.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Please.
How you overcome from the boss who always scold you? You haven't do this, that.
Okay. Yeah, till now, actually, I haven't got a boss like that who keeps on telling me. But yes, at times when he used to take, okay, again, so this type of thing, yes. When I started working, I was working in India at the time. And so I'm talking about very old time. I think you people don't even know. Your time a computer, initially it came and we didn't even had the mouse, and we used to have all those commands like control and Z and all. And Windows the time I was used to of the old version, and my boss used to shout a lot on me. क्या है तुमको नया वाला वर्जन नहीं आता, तुम क्यों काम नहीं करती उस पे? And I remember that I cried also 1 or 2 times when he scolded me. But then what happened was I went back home and I said, no, I don't have to give up. In case he scolded me, I have to show him that yes, I can do it. And in घर गएर मैले evening मा I joined the computer classes. त्यो time I'm talking about, say around, I'm already working since last 31 years now, so I'm talking about 30 years back ko kura. So then I went home and I joined evening computer institute huन्थ्यो, and I joined that one and I started learning. And 3-4 days पछि when I was little confident and I told him, sir, give it to me, I'll do it. And he was shocked. 3 दिनमा कस्तो के भयो? And because I knew computers but I was not so much confident. So in case you have a boss who keeps on saying that यो भएन त्यो भएन, maybe show the good work, definitely, but there are certain people who will always have a negative thing that they will never ever expect that even if you're doing it, they will never expect that you have done it. So that you'll have to diplomatically handle those type of bosses.
Ma'am,
Thank you, ma'am.
questions from my side.
Yes, please.
How to overcome with that रुन्चे बानी कि?
Okay. त्यो रुन्चे बानी पनि मैले स्टार्टिङमा त I used to cry, अनि पछि फेरि मैले आफूले कस्तो लाग्यो भने how stupid am I, के म जहिले पनि रोइरहेको हुन्छु, why do I have to cry? Because when I'm confident, I know that the boss is scolding me किनकि मैले गल्ती गरेको थियो, so I got the scolding and it took me a lot of time. It never happened overnight. I think I took almost 2 to 3 years to overcome that. And this पछि I started having a talk with myself. I used to talk to myself and I used to think that is it worth crying or is it worth becoming a better this thing because I had done some mistake. So till now also I'm a runche manche, but yes, I have stopped crying in front of the people, definitely, because I'm at least a little bit conscious that I don't have to cry, but I'm still like a runche manche. If someone like if I'm watching a TV or if I'm watching all those reality shows when they are singing songs on Ma, I cry a lot. But yes, in the public or maybe in the office, I've actually started controlling myself because I started having a self-talk with myself that is it worth why I'm crying? If I have done something wrong, I should accept it. If I have not done something wrong, then the boss is scolding, then maybe somewhere or the other, he's trying to pull me down. And I don't have to let him win that thing that he's trying to pull me down. So त्यो बिस्तारै गर्दा गर्दा I overcome. So it never happened in 1 year. It happened in I think 3 to 4 years लाग्यो होला. But yeah, after that I said okay, not a problem at all. So slowly I also became confident. No. Then plus maturity also आइरहेको थियो. So as per my age, I got matured. As per my like learnings, I was learning a lot, and so that's how I actually overcome that part. But I'm not saying that I'm a Cancerian. I still cry at times when I when I see that something, oh okay, I cry. Maybe not in public, I'll go to the washroom and then I cry. In the office if it happens, but yes, I do. At times I break down, at times, yes. Yeah.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. When people show watch the motivational speech, they get motivated. After a long time, they become as usual. What do you call it? This is human behavior or human psychology?
No, I couldn't get you. When we are actually giving a motivational speak, we get motivated, and after that, we also come back to normal, na?
Normal.
Yeah. Why it happens? Yeah, it's actually behavior. Why, you can understand why this behavior, because when I have someone whom I'm trying to make that person understand, I also become motivational because I know that I have to make that person understand. Suppose normally also, like I am talking to you, so I am getting more this thing. I'll keep on giving examples. I'll become more motivational because I know that I have to motivate you to get this work done. And that is the reason. So that is known as the motivational speakers, when we are motivating other people to do the best. And after that, yes, we are human beings, so we cannot be motivated we cannot be the motivator the all day. So after that, we have to come back to the normal personality. Yes, when we meet again, then we start. So it all depends on what the topic is actually, and it all depends on what the situation is. And as for the situation, we actually become motivational. But otherwise, no, normally though, definitely fine. It's like you're talking and that's it. So yeah, that's a normal behavior. So it's not that if you meet a motivation, like if you think about Sadhguru Sang, when we talk to Sadhguru, when we're asking questions, he gives us such a nice answers and he motivates us. But in the normal routine, he's a normal human being. Not necessarily that every day he keeps on, because obviously we are a normal human being and we have to come back to our normalcy. Then only we'll be able to have a very good life. So that definitely, and it's like not a bad thing. It's a okay thing that when you're talking to people, you're motivating, but then after that you come back to normal personality. That's perfectly fine. Yes, please.
How can we expand our interests or hobbies?
How can I find?
How can we expand our hobbies or interests?
Okay, how can you find your hobby? So hobby is like something which you really want to do is your hobby. For me,
No, I mean expand. How can we expand? Yeah.
Expand, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you have some hobbies, what is your hobby? Can you tell me?
Reading novels.
What is your hobby?
Reading novels and writing something.
Reading novels. That's a very good hobby, actually. So when you are, we're talking about your hobbies, but again, when you're talking about reading, so here also, yes, definitely you can, I can actually correlate it to your personality. If you have a habit of reading novels, that's very good. Maybe at times you want to just read a very light novel because you want to enjoy, fine. But in case you think you habit pani, in case you, or hobby pani, in case you can take it in a very nicer way also. Start reading very good books because you're going to learn so many things. Develop learning of develop this habit of more of learning and reading very, very good books. Then definitely you'll find that yes, so you can expand it, because not only get stuck to only one thing. Maybe at times people have this habit of reading a particular type of novel, fine, you like it, but try and read the other type of novel also. That way you're expanding also, and what you're doing is you're learning also, not just fictions, maybe something else, maybe some light novel. Maybe there are people who like to read only, go through only movie ko magazine, they like that only. Yes, that is required. But because you like reading, why can't I just try not only reading this one, but maybe Economic Times? Maybe but pistare you will start liking. So you're expanding your reading habit. That is your hobby, but you are expanding it to different versions, different diversity mein gai raha cha. Then it will be really good, because then you'll be able to like, wow, मैले त यो पनि मन पर्छ, मैले किन नगरेको पहिला, ला म यस्तो खालको म्यागजिन पनि पढ्छु अब. Then you'll यो पढ्नु सोच, ला मैले अर्को पनि ट्राई गर्छु. So you're expanding your hobby. At the same time, you are learning also. So definitely expanding a hobby is not at all, it's not a problem at all. You can always do that.
Ma'am, we have some question in chat box. Can I read them?
Yeah, if you can just read them. What I'll do is I think I'll just close this chat, and then I'll be fully visible here. Yeah.
Yeah. The first question is from Muskan Khanal. She says, ma'am, can you please tell me the difference between personality and attitude?
Okay, right. So Muskan, a very good question when we talk about personality and attitude. Attitude is actually, when we are talking about personality, attitude is required, definitely. But a positive attitude, not a negative attitude. If you're talking about attitude, a negative attitude, then definitely your personality will not be so much developed, because when we think negative, we feel very low, we don't feel happy, and anytime in case you're feeling negative, thoughts you'll not have a proper sleep and everything. So definitely there's a difference between personality and attitude, because attitude actually affects our personality. That is the thing. What is your attitude? And it is definitely going to show on your personality. If you have a very positive attitude, it's going to show on you. That's why I told you, when you meet people at times, you say, wow, such a nice aura. You look so positive. That person, office we talk, we went to this travel agent, such a nice, ekdam positive vibes. Why? Because that attitude is there. So definitely attitude and personality are interrelated, but attitude affects your personality. If you have got a very good attitude, definitely you will feel confident, you will be liked by people, your personality will develop. In case anyone has a negative attitude, all the time thinking negative, negativity nikalni. I'll just share you one story which Mr. Shiv Khera has written in his book. So Mr. Shiv Khera is he's also a motivational speaker. And he says that there was a person एउटा गाउँमा थियो के एकजना मान्छे and he wanted to make an electric boat के boat हुन्छ नि नाउ पानीमा उसको लागि. So he wanted to make an electric boat. People were positive also, people were negative also. All those positive people were so happy and they said, wow, such a nice thing that he is going to make an electric boat. हाम्रो लागि कस्तो सजिलो हुन्छ नि, हामीले पनि यहाँ क्रस गर्नु इजी हुन्छ, रिभर क्रस गर्नु पर्छ भनेर. नेगेटिभ पिपल वर से है कहाँ हुन सक्छ, इलेक्ट्रिक बोट बनाउँछ उसमा जाँदाखेरि खराब भइहाल्छ. So then also he made the boat. And then after that what happened was when he made the boat, he took it to the bank of the river and he says, now आज म यहाँबाट start गर्छु boat भनेर. People were there again, negative, positive, दुई जना थियो. Positive people were very good, you can do it, let's start it and all. And he started. So they were very happy, they all clapped. Anyone has an idea what the negative people said? You can unmute and say. Negative people के भने होला?
मूर्खता.
मूर्खता, okay. अरु? Anyone? You know what negative people said? अहिले start भइसक्यो पहिले पनि बन्द हुँदैन रे. So negative people will always be negative, right? So that's what our attitude also be. It actually really impacts our personality. It really has a very, very, you can say, एकदमै severe impact हुन्छ कि at times I feel the day I cry, the day I am actually not feeling very happy, I feel low अनि मैले office गएपछि पनि at times it happens that I'm not able to interact everyone because that thing is going on my mind. Okay, त्यो thoughts गइरहन्छ negative thoughts and त्यसपछि I have to, no, I don't have to think everything सबै ठीक हुन्छ, don't worry Niru, सबै ठीक हुन्छ भनेर, then I'll have a positivity and then I can suddenly see the changes in me. My smile will come back and I'll be very enthusiastic, I'll be full of energy again. But in case I'm negative, if I'm thinking negativity, I feel so low, मलाई निन्द्रा पनि आउँदैन, टाउको पनि दुखिरहेको हुन्छ, I don't want to talk to anyone, my face becomes very हुन्छ नि sad face जस्तो देख्छ, smiling हुँदैन. So definitely attitude actually affects the personality a lot. And that is the reason we always say that we should have a good positive attitude and attitude towards others also. Like every time when you feel something negative or in case हामीले कति टाइममा हाम्रो नेगेटिभ कुरा पनि मनमा आउँछ नि, try and find the brighter side in that. Just try and find the brighter side. Right now also we all are going through this phase is not very good, and corona ka phase is not good. But every time we say no, after night day will come. राति पछि दिन तो आनै पर्छ नि. So this situation also will go in case we have a positive attitude that no problems at all. This is everyone, the whole world is suffering with that. But आज त्यस्तो छ भने भोलि ठीक पनि त हुन्छ नि. If we have that attitude, so will. So Muskan, it's basically personality and attitude are interrelated, but attitude actually affects personality a lot.
Ma'am, we have next question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Hajur.
म के एड गर्न चाहन्छु त्यसमा.
भन्नु न प्लिज.
तपाईले भन्नुभएको सबै कुरा त सही हो, अनि जसले क्वेशन सोध्नु भएको छ म उहाँलाई के सजेसन गर्न चाहन्छु कि तपाईको एटिट्युड हो फर्स्ट तपाई डिसाइड गर्नु. फर्स्ट यु हैव टु डिसाइड यो पोजिटिभ हो कि नेगेटिभ हो. तपाईको यदि तपाईको एटिट्युड पोजिटिभ हो, इफ यु कन्टिन्यू दैट बिकेम ह्याबिट, तपाईको पछि बानी बन्छ जान्छ र त्यो प्र्याक्टिस गरेपछि तपाईको नेगेटिभ बानी भनेको एटिट्युड पनि नेगेटिभ, बानी पनि नेगेटिभ, यो ह्याबिट अल्सो बिकम नेगेटिभ. त्यसैले फर्स्टमा यो चुज गर्नु कि तपाईको एटिट्युड पोजिटिभ हो कि नेगेटिभ. इफ यो तपाईको एटिट्युड कन्टिन्यू गर्यो भनेको ह्याबिट बनेपछि तपाईको पर्सनालिटी बाहेक हरेक कुरामा इफेक्ट गर्दै जान्छ.
एकदम हुन्छ, एकदम इफेक्ट हुन्छ.
त्यसैको लागि त्यो एटिट्युड पोजिटिभ हो कि नेगेटिभ हो पहिला त्यो डिसाइड गर्नु, त्यसपछि त्यसलाई कन्टिन्यू गर्नु होला.
Right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's what. Yeah. Because in case हमले negative attitude ले carry on करे बन तो फिर definitely everything will look negative only. Very good. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We have next question from Avansa Khatri. At times, no matter how presentable we try to be, we still get judged. I know it's not important to please every single person, you know. Having said that, what can we do to groom our personality, staying the way we are? And ma'am, you speak so well. Thank you giving your time to us. It really means a lot.
Thank you so much for that. And yes, definitely when we're talking about the personality, yes, people will judge. People definitely judge, you know, because because I usually use a lot of songs. So, you know, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. People, because we will not be able to satisfy everyone. That is definitely there. But if you're feeling confident and if you think that, yes, my grooming is perfectly fine, not a problem at all, again, I would like to give you some tips that maybe from your side, you are thinking that the grooming is very good and my attire is perfectly fine. If at all that attire is not as per the occasion, might be people might judge you. That is the only thing. So grooming part is actually, when we're talking about grooming, yes, definitely we have to, grooming includes everything: your cleanliness, your hairdo, your nails, your jewelry, the type of jewelry which you're using, your attire which you're using, your shoes. So everything, it actually counts everything when we're talking about overall personality. That means overall when we are going. So when we go to the office, definitely why, we have to be very careful about our grooming part, in case your hair is not properly done, in case your nails are not properly, your hands are not clean, or maybe your attire is not, you will, maybe at times you will feel that you're not confident. But yes, about people will judge. They do. Like for me, at times, yes, at times people judge us on our attire. So that is, don't worry about that. If you are confident enough, you're able to carry yourself well, no problems at all, because that's your life and you're carrying it. Again, only one thing is that you have to dress up as per the occasion. So if you're coming to the office and you're wearing maybe at times, yes, when people get married, I've seen when they get married, they come to the office with some sarees, which are, obviously they cannot wear a very simple sari, because in case there's no uniform for the office, so maybe they can wear a very simple, but they can wear flashy colors, not a problem at all, because that is, they've just got married and they have to, because in case they don't wear, maybe in the family, the in-laws won't like it. So maybe at times they have to, that's not a problem at all. But normally dress up karda keri, we have to, because right now you people are in college, you can wear any sort of, in case there's no uniform, you can wear any sort of clothes which you want to. But once you come into the professional industry, you will have to make sure that you are wearing your clothes or your dress as per the occasion. That's it. So otherwise, no problems at all. So grooming part, actually, yes, I always say, in case I'm talking about the grooming part, you have to make sure that you don't wear very big jewelry, which that was there in the question also. Wear very simple earrings and simple, one or two, maybe, what do you call it, bala, or maybe a simple bracelet which you can wear. For the shoes also, I always say to everyone when I'm taking the class, shoes, actually, I always want people to wear very comfortable. Comfortable means not the sports shoes in the office, but comfortable, because for the girls, if you're wearing continuously very high heels, by the evening you will feel very tired, and definitely you'll not be able to walk. So when we are in the office, and especially if you have if you're working in marketing or sales department, where you have to be out of the office the whole day, I think wear not more than 2 inches heels, because that is very comfortable. And like wear the wedges heels, because they're comfortable. Wear something which you're comfortable with, because you have to go in the market for the whole day. You have to walk also. By the evening, you should not get tired, and later on, those pencil heels and all will not be very comfortable when you're, going to the market. So that is the thing. At times I've seen people, what I used to do was, right, because I am not used to of wearing very long very big heels and all. So I knew that the day I have a meeting, I used to carry my heels with me. So, I'll go in my normal shoes, but when I'm going for a meeting, I used to change and then I go, because I know that I cannot carry it for the whole day. So you can actually think that way, but that's the tip.
We have other question from Bindita Rijal.
Yeah.
Ma'am, how to build up confidence to speak in mass?
Yeah, speaking confidence, again, one thing which very well you can do is, in case if you're talking about something which you have to speak in public or something, the best part is confidence, and as well as your body language also. So what you can do is, actually, the best part which you can do is stand in front of the mirror and then talk to yourself. So when you're standing in front of the mirror and talking to yourself, you're able to see yourself. Right now, what happens is, we are like, you can see yourself in the screen. I can see myself in the screen. So it's something like a mirror only. So I know my expressions and everything. So you can actually, plus at the same time, in case you have to give a speech, then please prepare for that. At least you should know some basics about it, so that you can just talk very confidently. And otherwise also, in case if you're talking about normally talking to people when you are going around, try and understand what the topic they're talking, and talk about that, so that you become a part of the group. So there are different things which I have told you. In case you're talking about a speech which you are supposed to give, you have to make sure that you are prepared for that. If you're talking about a normal conversation where you feel that you're not able to get into a group, understand what the conversation they are doing, and you can actually barge in. You can start talking about the same topic, then definitely you will get the confidence, because if you know about that thing, talk, not a problem at all. Don't be introvert. Start talking, start interacting with people, and you will understand. But in case you are talking about giving speech or talking, then always see yourself in the mirror and talk. You will see how your expressions are going, where is your, how your hand movements are, how you're standing, and then you can actually improve yourself. That will be really good.
We have other question. Being an introvert, we face problem like running out of words, bad choice of words, and have hard time explaining the things we want to say. How can we overcome it?
Yeah, so when you're talking about introvert, see, introvert is you are not able to speak, but you understand and you know the words. But it's only that introvert people, what they do is they will understand. Obviously, like as I know that I was an introvert earlier, I knew that I wanted to say, but I didn't have the confidence to say. That was the problem with me. So definitely, you will feel short of words because you feel that if I say, maybe people will not understand. They will not listen to me. They will not give any importance to what I'm saying. That you have to gain confidence in that. That this is my point, and I know that my point is right, and I have to give this point to keep my point in front of everyone so that they understand. Once you have that confidence, you'll be able to overcome from your introvertness. That's it. Because just don't keep yourself, because see, every time I know it very well, or maybe everyone will agree with me, when we are sitting alone also, we keep on talking. Our brain to suddena nahi. Brain, we are continuously talking, and at times I know that for certain things we prepare inside. We keep on preparing, and especially introvert में कस्तो हुन्छ भने okay, अब मेरे को किसी ने बोला ना म गएर यो भन्दिन्छु त्यो भन्दिन्छु, हामी भित्र सोचिरहेको हुन्छ, but when the person comes in front of us, we are not able to say anything. Because there we feel that in case I say again, त्यो मान्छेले बुरा लाग्छ कि मैले फेरि उसले जवाब दिए भने मैले के जवाब दिने, we keep quiet. But we are prepared it. We know it very well that we have to speak. So what I will suggest is slowly, steadily, not overnight कि कल सुबह उठूंगा, उठ के बहुत जवाब दूंगा, extrovert बन जाऊंगा और बन जाऊंगी. No, not like that. You have to start slowly. Start questioning in case someone is telling you why not. Maybe start saying no. At times introverts को सबभन्दा problem के हुन्छ भने we cannot say no to anyone. Everyone takes us for granted. जो भनेछ हामी सबै मानेर हुन्छ. Start slowly saying no. Politely, slowly, but firmly. Then people will definitely know that no, we cannot take advantage of this person. And then when you know it very well that people are not taking advantage of yourself, then you will slowly start talking. So that is again a process, but you can actually start that. That's not a big deal.
Okay, we have one question from Krishna Bhatta. He says, it might be out of topic, but should we work in the organization where there is frustrating environment?
Okay, it's not out of the topic. Yes, I can understand when it's a frustrating atmosphere. So first thing is that you have to think about it. Why is it frustrating? Maybe the atmosphere is only like that, or maybe due to certain reasons this thing has become frustrating. Maybe because of the boss, maybe because of the colleagues, maybe you are not able to cooperate, maybe your colleagues are not able to cooperate with you. There is a lot of politics. You have to actually see each and every part of aspect of that organization, because frustration I understand, but job is a necessity for everyone. Till the time you have another job in your hand, you will not don't leave the job. First thing. Second thing is that at times what happens is we always say the grass is greener on the other side, है ना? Or maybe we say दूर के ढोल सुहाने. जब ढोल और को एकदम टाढा वाडा बजिरा हुन्छ एकदम मजा आउँछ. जब ढोल हाम्रो अगाडि आएर बज्छ हामीले कस्तो कानमा लाग्छ नि. So what happens is maybe you are feeling frustrated, or maybe the atmosphere is frustrating, but you never know that in case you leave this company and go somewhere else, who has that assurance that that company also will not be frustrating? Maybe tapeko sathihharu bhन्छ होला, oh, my company is very good, everyone is very nice to me, it's really good, but you never know that that company might be more frustrating than this. So go deep into that thing. So just don't be emotional and leave the job in case the company is frustrating. Try and understand why. First thing, always don't take any emotional decisions. That I always say. I know we become emotional. Anytime emotional, त्यो एकदम हुन्छ नि कहिलेका frustrated भएर ला म अहिले मेरो resignation दिन्छु, मैले चाहिँदैन यो job. No. Think twice, come back to your desk, think twice and think about it. Why is it getting frustrated? Maybe मसँग resources छैन, that is the reason I'm not able to perform. या मेरो performance ठीक छैन, yeah, I'm giving everything, but then also my boss is not realizing. मैले कोसँग कुरा गर्नुपर्छ, my staff is trying to demotivate me, but my boss is at least is happy with me, so I should go and talk to my boss and say that, sir, alikati ugaro bhairasa, how should I go about it? Take someone in confidence and talk. So these are the things which you have to first do the survey, do the research, and then only think of leaving the job. Because if you think that it's frustrating, I understand there are so many companies where maybe because of 1 or 2 people, it becomes very frustrating and we really want to leave the job. But in case we become emotional and leave the job, and then later on, if we don't get it, or maybe the next job company which we find is more frustrating, then till how long we are going to leave the company, right? So maybe we'll have to develop little bit of our maturity level also. At the same time, talk to the main person. You do not have to go to the MD or maybe to the CEO, but you can actually talk to your colleagues, talk to someone who's every company, and even if frustration serve, you will find few colleagues who are definitely there to support. Full company एकदम frustrating हुँदैन. Talk to them, discuss with them, try and find out हामी कसरी गर्न सक्छ, हामी सबै मिलेर changes गर्न मिल्छ कि otherwise हामीले maybe सरसँग कुरा गरेर के हुन्छ कि. So just try and find out and then only think of leaving the job, because leaving the job will not be the option. That's what I feel.
Okay, ma'am, I think we have addressed.
Are we done? Yeah, it's already the time. Yeah, thank you so very much. So if any one of you would like to, anytime ke questions are bani, Payal, can I give my email ID to them if at all?
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Sure.
So you have my email ID, nimsduggal@gmail.com. NIMS Duggal, DUGGAL @gmail.com. Payal, if you can just write it in the chat, or maybe should I write it in the chat?
Yeah. You can also.
Or you can write, not a problem at all. Yeah, you can just write that nimsduggal@gmail.com.
You can write on Growth Seller page or message.
Yeah, you can write on Growth Seller page, because I'm continuously in touch with them. And actually, if you want any sort of questions at times, if you think that you have certain questions to ask, most welcome, because this was a very short time where maybe I was not able to answer all the queries, or maybe actually question you can always write a message to Rinki. You can give your Payal. I keep on calling you Payal and Rinki. So you can actually give your email ID so that they can get in touch with you, and I'll definitely answer your questions. Not a problem at all. And I hope to see you all again, maybe some other session. If you have liked it, definitely we would like to interact with you more.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so very much. Thank you. God bless you all, and stay happy, stay safe. Corona ko ekdam usma, please stay safe, and all the best to all of you for a very, very, very successful life ahead. Maybe kunna time hami personally pani bhetcha hola.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
ma'am.
much.
On behalf of Growth Seller, I would like to thank you so much for such a wonderful session. It was great learning with so much excitement and interaction. I personally also enjoyed it a lot. I would also like to thank all our participants for being so much interactive. So if you have any question, you can write it to me, and I can share it with Neeru ma'am, and we can give you the answers. So stay safe, stay happy, and thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you so much, everyone. So stay safe, stay happy, and God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Payal, you want me to be online for some time?
You can.
I am online, but I've just switched off my video.
No, ma'am. We need to wrap up. I'll also give the mail ID, and I will leave the session.
Hunsa. Thank you so much. Then I'm leaving the meeting, right?
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, take care, everyone. Bye-bye.